Welcome to my channel IELTS Speaking. If you are preparing for the IELTS speaking test, you know the part 3 can be tricky. It's all about discussing abstract topics and expressing opinions clearly. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'll share proven strategies to help you boost your fluency, coherence, vocabulary and grammar to achieve a band 7 plus score. Let's get started. Discussion based segment where the examiner will ask you complex and thought provoking questions. Your task is to analyze and express opinions effectively. The key aspects assessed are: first, fluency and coherence, speaking smoothly and logically. Second is vocabulary, where you use diverse and precise words. Third one is grammar, where you showcase accuracy and complexity. And the fourth one is pronunciation, where you have to speak clearly and naturally. One of the biggest mistakes candidates make is giving short answers. To score high, use the SEE method, where S is for statement, directly answer the question, E is for explanation, provide a reason or justification, E is for example, support with a real life example or experience. For example, let's see, why do people prefer online shopping nowadays? So your response will be, well, online shopping is popular because it is convenient, which is a statement. Then, people can buy products anytime without visiting stores. That's your explanation. And for instance, I recently ordered a groceries online, which saved me a lot of time, which is your example. That was our strategy 1. Now strategy 2 is using discourse markers. Discourse markers helps your answers flow naturally and show logical connections, where you can use in addition to add information. However, to introduce contrast. For example, therefore, to show consequences. Let's see one example of however. Online education is beneficial. However, some students find it difficult to focus at home. Second, using discourse markers makes you sound more natural and fluent. Now here in this slide, you can pause and screenshot the slide because I have provided some of the discourse markers, which are also known as linkers. Plus, if you suggest me or comment down in this video, I'll also make a detailed video on the linkers and discourse markers. Okay, not sure how to answer a tough question? Follow these tips. Our strategy 3 is handling difficult questions. First, pause and think. It's okay to take a second before answering, but you can do it maximum 3 times throughout the speaking test. I suggest don't exaggerate it. Again, what you can do is break it down, simplify the question into smaller parts. Then you can give a balanced answer. That means discuss both the sides if needed. Let's see with example. Will robots replace teachers in the future? That is your question. Your response can be, that's an interesting question. In this line, what you did is you bought time because you need a moment to think about the answer. Okay, let's continue. It is possible that technology will play a bigger role in education. However, I believe teachers are essential for personal interaction. So here you also used one discourse marker. Okay, let's move on to strategy 4, that is expressing opinions and speculation. You must state your opinion confidently. Use phrases like, in my opinion, it is possible that, one might assume. Let's see one example. In my opinion, social media has both positive and negative effects. While it connects people, it also leads to private issues. Understood? So here what we are doing is we are giving our firm opinion on things that you have to do in part 3. Let's see what is strategy 5. It is to improve vocabulary and grammar. To score high, you must need varied vocabulary and grammatical accuracy. Therefore, use a range of words, avoid repeating simple words. Second, employ complex sentences, show language proficiency. For example, instead of saying children like cartoons, say young children are often captivated by animated series due to their engaging visuals and storytelling. Okay, at last, let's discuss about key takeaways from this presentation video. To succeed in IELTS Speaking Part 3, remember to expand answers with SEE method. Use discourse markers or linkers for fluency. Third, handle tough questions carefully and smartly. Fourth one is express your opinions clearly and firmly with confidence. And the last one is focus on vocabulary and grammar. I hope this video helped you in your IELTS preparation journey. If you liked my content, please like, follow and comment. Subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.